Hi there! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day. RJYC Vlog here. Kamusta kayo dyan? So, ito nga. Before I proceed, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. I know I didn't vlog for a while because I was busy with personal life. So, ito nga, ang hichichika natin dyan sa nangyayari sa bansang Pilipinas ngayon. I would say na in a way, 80% of the Filipinos may kasalanan din sa mga pinagdadaanan ng mga Pilipino ngayon. Bakit? Kasi hindi kayo lumalaban. Hinahayaan nyo lang kung ano yung mga nararanasan nyo ngayon. Hinahayaan nyo lang and you're not speaking up. You're not doing any actions to kick out the people that is not supposed to be serving you. Kasi hindi naman talaga sila nagsiservisyo sa mga Pilipino, kundi nagsiservisyo sila sa kanilang pansariling pakinabang. Pero kayong mga Pilipino ay hinahayaan nyo lang. So technically, 80% of the problem is you because you're not doing anything. Because I believe what you allow will continue. Okay? Bye.